Want to play Roblox on your iPhone, but not sure how to start? Most people install the app, but get stuck after that. In this video, I'll show you how to play Roblox on your iPhone. So let's start playing right now. So, first, go to the App Store. Now tap on the search icon below. Search Roblox. Make sure to install it here. Then open up the Roblox app. If you already have a Roblox account, tap Login. And then enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, tap Sign Up to create one. Then enter a username, password, and your birth date. Obviously, next, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration. Once logged in, you'll be on the home screen. Here you can see featured games. You can browse through popular games, or you can use the search bar at the top to find specific games. When you find a game you want to play, tap on the game's thumbnail to open its page. After that, tap on the play button to start playing. Next, follow the in-game instructions to move your character. And so that's it. This is how you can play Roblox on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.